You are going to love 2012 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, braking assist. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, multifunction display, multifunctional information center, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.